Once your database is backed up, you're ready to go ahead and clean out your site files, uninstall WordPress, and then reinstall it. But before you do that, first let's make sure our database is backed up. And we can select it from the drop-down tab up top from the hosting control panel, or we can just click it here from database. Just want to see that it says successful and that we have backed it up. Click the pencil icon. Again, I only have one database for this domain. And successful backup. So what we'll do is next time after we reinstall the WordPress, we'll restore this database. So at this point I want to jump over to my FTP because I don't want to uninstall WordPress just yet. What I want to do is I want to grab any files that actually have any customization or any files that are outside of WordPress. I don't have those, but sometimes I put up an image file or image folder or a video folder, just things that I've added to a link to from the blog. In this case I don't, but I do want to go into the content and I'm going to download my plugins. I'm not going to use the plugins, but I definitely don't want to lose them. I want to know which ones I've used on this particular blog. So most likely these could be infected, but I'm either going to take a screenshot of these plugins or I'll just download them, which I will here. And same thing with thumbnails. For image thumbnails, I want to make sure I grab those, and I'm also going to grab the uploads, anything specifically that was uploaded, just in case it doesn't get restored. Now, also for themes, I'm going to download the theme that I use. In this case, it was On Demand. Now, I'm not going to upload this theme again. I'm just going to download it because I did customize the CSS a little bit, and I did make a few modifications to some PHP files. I just want this for reference only, just so I know exactly what it is I customized. So I'm just going to download it, but when I reinstall WordPress, just want to be really clear, I'm not just going to take these files and then move them over. I'm going to re-download the plugins from each of the plugin sites, as well as I'll upload a clean version of On Demand of my theme. But within here, I'll just work with any of the CSS files and make sure I can just kind of go and make the modifications that I customized for this particular blog. As those continue to download, I can look in here and pretty much see that there's basic WordPress files here, no other folders in this directory, so I'm okay to delete those. What I'm going to do now is just jump over to the hosting control, and I want to go to the home. And from here, I want to select applications. And then I'm going to find the WordPress installation for this, and I want to remove it. So we'll select blog, and then WordPress. Actually, I don't need to do that. I just need to go to my installed applications. So let me go back to home. So my applications, and find the WordPress installation for that particular blog. There it is, and I just want to uninstall it. Uninstalling it is the best way to do it through WordPress, but don't delete the database, right? We back that up. We want to use the database. We just want to delete all the files associated with WordPress in that directory. If you want to give them a reason, you can say, malware infection, ruined my Saturday, and click OK, and then just go ahead and click continue, and you're all set. And from there, we'll go ahead and just reinstall WordPress and then restore the database. And you'll get the little note that tells you that WordPress is being removed. You usually get an email notification when that's completed. So we'll resume the next tutorial by reinstalling WordPress and then restoring the database.